Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a 3D logo design. So this is very simple and a meaningful design. So now I'm gonna talk, just let's begin. So first of all, what can I do? First of all, I need it to a little bit smaller, like this, and I go over here and keep one to the corner side. So what I want to do, I need to go to the here, the dashboard, you see, the rectangle. If you press over here, you can see many tools over here, but I need the rectangle tool. Okay, so I just start here. I think that's fine. Got a bigger size. So I go to the close, fill color, and I think I needed this one, the black color, a little bit bigger, will be more better. So what I need to do, I need just to rotate this one like that. Yes, exactly. I have done all the things here. Now select the direct selection, go to the over here and just select this one and go to the upper side. You see, magic. It's called the Illustrator Magic. So I've done it this one and go over here and I just go to the copy and go to the paste info. And right now by pressing shift key and alt key, just that'll be over here, and I think that's fine. Go again over here and just go to the paste in front, and by pressing shift key, go over here, there. I think that's fine, fantastic. And go again this middle side and just to copy, edit, and copy, and go to the paste in front. So again, I just by pressing shift key and turn B like that. Then it will more better. That's not same, but better be okay. I think that's fine. Like that. Yeah, I need a little bit here like that. I think it will be more better. Okay. Just fine and select all the things and go to the shape builder tool. Okay. So change this color and go over here like that and go over here. That, oh, sorry, not like that. I think it will be more better. Sorry, I needed just a little bit downside like that. Thing it's done maybe. Don't know what is happening, but okay, like that. Oh, sorry, needed to color. Okay, that's fine. And go over here. You see? Okay. Whenever you face the problems, then you can solve and you can learn something immediate. Otherwise, you cannot learn something. So I just select over here. Right now, I just to over here. I delete. I just close the color and straight. I need. I think I go over here. Just negative, so I need to delete unnecessary things. I think this. Oh, okay, so I need to go to the uh, eyedropper tool, go over here, and I think this also eyedropper tool over here. You see how this is happening. See, happening is there. So it is okay. So things like that. And okay, so okay, that's fine. I think just added that one same. Let's see, like that, not difference between that one. So I need to delete this one and go recap here. This is very fantastic and very common. You see, this 3D logo design is a fantastic. So this is all. Thanks for watching.